Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go.
Are you spending way too much time on the back-end processes of your virtual assistant business, from the administrative tasks and not even counting your virtual assistant client at actual work? Maybe you don't even have time after all of that to grow your virtual assistant business. And are you tired of bouncing around from 10 different programs to send contracts and invoices and schedule appointments, keep track of communication, and then all the other little tasks you have to do for your virtual assistant clients? I want to help you automate your virtual assistant business processes so that you can save more time. And the way to do this is to automate everything into one platform. There are two popular options that a lot of people use in the virtual assistant world to automate all of their back-end processes, and those are Dubsado, which is Dubsado, or Honeybook. These two programs allow you to set up calendars, forms, recurring invoices, keep track of your business revenue, send emails to clients, set up client portals, send proposals, and so much more. I personally use and love Dubsado. It just has a little bit more automations than Honeybook does, but Honeybook is slightly more user-friendly because Dubsado has so many capabilities and can be a little bit overwhelming. So totally up to you, but I do have an affiliate code for y'all for Dubsado. So if that's something you're interested in, you can enter the code Ariana Vernier. That's all one word, and that will save you 20% off of your Dubsado subscription. These programs are a bit of an investment, but it's going to save you so much time in the long run. And that eventually, you guys know, saves you money because then you can actually give that time to something that is income producing. So this was a really quick episode, but I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know so many of you feel like you're spending way too much time just trying to run your business, and I want to save you that time. All right, y'all. I am so excited. This is the last episode of January, which means we're going into February, and that means it's book launch month. In February, my first ever book is coming out called Teacher Turned ... It was just placed on my heart last year to write a book. It was not in the plans for myself, but God had different plans, and it is finally almost here. So I invite you to come and participate in the book launch. Tell all your friends, all the teachers you know. They don't even have to be teachers. Like, it's called Teacher Turn ... but whoever's hands it falls into, I believe they need to hear that message. So come check out everything, all the fun things we got going on for book launch coming up. You can find all that info over at teacherturnedfreelancer.com/book. I seriously cannot wait. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm so excited. All right, y'all. I love you so much, and we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, Take a screenshot and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.